keep spirit rooted in the clay. A silent pulse, both cold and warm, where fear dissolves and pathways stay. The water stirred with whispered grace, reflection burst the inner tide. Within the mirror of time and space, what walks within walks outside. Declares its will, the breath becomes a rising flame. All motion sings, none stand still, for silence hums the hidden name. Becomes a key. What once was broken stands complete. A shadow turns to unity. The wave of sound becomes the guide. The pendulum moves near and far. All rhythms circle, none divide. All tides return to where they are. The inner eye unseals the gate where truth and vision intertwine. Each choice becomes its destined fate, and thought becomes the sacred law. Ascend the spine, 7 tones set spirit free.